Hey everyone, if your SD card is not showing up on your Android phone, try these simple methods to fix it. The first method you can try is mount the SD card manually. For this, you have to first open My Files, so click on it, and you can see the SD card is currently not mounted. So click on your SD card, then click on this mount option. So click on mount. Now you can see the SD card is showing. If I go back, and now you can see the SD card is showing. The next method you can try is clean cache and data. For this, you have to open settings. So click on settings. After that, scroll down, then click on this apps option. Click on apps. After that, click on these three lines, then enable this option, show system apps. Okay, then click on OK. Now you have to scroll down, and then click on this option files. So click on files. In this files option, click on this storage option, click on storage. Now tap on clear cache and clear data, then restart your phone. But if these options are not available, just move to the next method. Open My Files again. So click on My Files. After that, click on these three dots, then click on settings. Scroll down and then click on this option about My Files. Click on it. Then click on this update option. So update My Files. The next method you can try is clean the SD card and restart your phone. So first remove the SD card and clean it using a soft eraser. Don't press too hard. Then insert the SD card back into your phone and restart your device. So these are the few methods you can try.